Introduction. Welcome to King Bike. Today, we're taking a quick look at the Hero Splendor Plus, one of the most trusted and best-selling commuter motorcycles. Let's find out why this bike remains a favorite among riders. Engine and performance. The Hero Splendor Plus comes with a reliable 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine that delivers smooth performance and excellent fuel efficiency. It is designed for daily commuting, offering a comfortable and hassle-free riding experience. Design and features. The bike features a simple yet attractive design with stylish graphics, a comfortable seat, and durable build quality. It also includes features like i3S technology, an easy-to-read instrument cluster, and alloy wheels on selected variants. Mileage and comfort. One of the biggest strengths of the Hero Splendor Plus is its outstanding mileage. The lightweight frame, comfortable suspension, and upright riding position make it ideal for city rides and daily use. Price and value. The Hero Splendor Plus offers excellent value for money with low maintenance costs, strong reliability, and impressive fuel economy. It's a practical choice for students, office workers, and everyday riders. Conclusion. The Hero Splendor Plus continues to be a top choice for anyone looking for a dependable, fuel-efficient, and affordable motorcycle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to King Bike for more bike reviews and updates.